Hi, off-roading part 2 on the Scrambler. Let's go! Oh, water! Hey! Definitely going to need to wash my trousers when I get home. Don't know where this goes, to be honest with you. I ain't really got a clue where this goes. This isn't the trail that I was thinking of. And we've got a walker. I'm loving this though, this is awesome. Don't know where I am. Whoa, through the woods. Lost. It's not really a bad thing though, is it? Should probably get up on pegs really, shouldn't I? This is a nice one. Yeah, I think I've just worked out where I am. What's that down there? This person's house? John Bunting? I know where I am. Gotta open a gate. How am I going to do this? Backpack. That worked, Chris. That was so good. Excellent use of brains. That trail that I just smashed in, that wasn't even the one I was going to go do originally. But I found it, and then I found it's one that me and Ben last year, or year before, started, got to that gate up there, and just didn't really remember, like, know where we were going. I'm going to finish it today, obviously going down here. I've done this before, it's not that hard, but I'm going to do it, and then I'm going to go back and do the one that I was going to do before I found this one. Old Stead, yeah, that's what that place up there is, Old Stead. We're gonna find a way into that forest, don't we, really? Looks like some other bikes have been down here recently. I have to say, the Scrambler 12 is such a capable off-road bike. More so than the Street Scrambler. And I feel like I'm like dissing the Street Scrambler, and I'm not, because that bike was awesome. And it did loads of shit, like a proper jack of all trades bike. Hey! But it's now compared to this. And I've got friends who've got Street Scramblers. Got friends who want Street Scramblers. If you buy one, you're not buying a bad bike. It's just limited in its, you know, for its off-road potential. Whereas the Scrambler 12 XE, especially the XE is still good. XE, it's got that bit that the Street Scrambler just didn't have. The forks, the suspension, the ground clearance, the wheels. Right then. So this is the one that I were coming to do before I got onto the Oldstead route. And I might have got my trails mixed up there with I thought this bit had a grassy section once you get to the top of this, but it might not now. It's still fun. I mean, this bit's tarmacked, but it does go gravelly in a bit. That were a savage pothole that I just hit. I've got some bracken. I've acquired bracken. I'm keeping it. We can carry it with us. And this is the gravelly bit. Look at how much bracken I've just acquired. Guess you're so pumped. Right, we'll get this off. Whew. What I really want to be able to learn to do with my off-roading skills is to improve my off-roading skills and to be able to slide around corners like that. The corner we just came to there, I'd absolutely love to be able to just bomb it down, skid it around, and get back on the power. I just haven't got the confidence or know what to do. I can skid in a straight line and stuff, but just don't have the knowledge. for when it comes to doing that. But you know, I'm off to the off-road experience, they might show me a thing or two. So you could definitely spend a couple of hours exploring all these little routes around here, I think. Oh, I've had so much fun this morning. Right, back on the tarmac. I think it's time we headed home. Ooh, that was nasty. Awesome little ride today. I've well enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me on this other Scrambler 1200 off-road adventure. I think we've had a proper adventure today. A proper adventure. I'm well thirsty. I'm wore out. I've got a bad shoulder as it is. I'm too old for this shit. Keep watching, stay tuned for more and more. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.